All right, class now I'm here with Kyle.
Yeah.
And we have Ryan's World Super Surprise Safe. This is from Just Play Toys. This is super cool. As you know, the unboxing trend is huge. Kids love YouTube. They love watching Ryan's World on YouTube. So we have 30 different surprises. It's an actual safe that you can decode. So let's open this up, Kyle. Cut this off. You can push, you can reveal, you can smash. There's little figures you can get. I think there's stickers. It looks like there's glasses so you can decode little mysteries. So let's check it out. And then what's cool is when you're done with the whole thing, you have a safe to play with and keep stuff in. So let's see, look.
What's inside?
So these are some of the samples. You don't know what it is, but let's see. So let's go, Kyle. Try to unlock this.
How do you do it?
I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh,
Whoa.
cool. So take a peek at this. Oh, wow. So when you open it up, these are all different things and levels that you can unbox and find, okay? So there's level 1, level 2, level 3, and then the final surprise is inside. So that's really cool. So let's you want to just randomly open something? See what we might get.
Okay.
But I mean, some of them are going to be small like stickers. This is Discover, Decode. This is Smash and Surprise. That sounds fun. This is Push and Reveal. Okay, so do one. Oh, there we go. What is this going to be? Oh!
What are they? Oh, rings.
Oh, so this is a bunch of little rings.
Cool.
Okay, you can try them all on. So we've got all kinds of rings here. This one is going to be, let's see, Decode. This looks kind of fun. Push and Reveal. So let's just, you want to do it, Kyle? You push. Ooh!
Tattoos.
A ton of stuff in this guy.
What's this?
Tattoos? And what is that?
I don't know. Maybe slime?
Oh, it looks like some kind of slimy stuff. There's also little figures that you may be getting. I mean, as you can see, there's all kinds of stuff. And then the final surprise. But what's cool is you've got this safe. So even after you're done playing, this is really fun for kids.
Locks. You need the key.
So you really need the key to open it, right? So unlock it for us, Kyle. Yep, you do. There you go. Pull. So you need the key in there to unlock it. So this is safe. And then the final surprise. Should we try and do that? What do you think? How do you do that?
Wait.
This might be too tricky for us to figure out, but there's one final surprise. So this is Ryan's World Safe, and all kinds of things, over 30 surprises plus one ultimate surprise. It's hard to get. Whoa!
Jewels.
There, he got it. Oh, jewels,
And
gems, gold. Oh, that's really cool. All right, see ya.